Hi guys, nothing in the charity shops today, so we ended up in Poundland again. Bought this little kiddies push along truck and we'll see what sort of conversion we can do to it. I think the first thing we'll look at is rubber band power, because we should be able to attach a rubber band to the axle quite easily and get it to go along. Probably get wheel spin because they're plastic wheels. I'm actually thinking of doing it two different ways. One way would be rubber band from the axle to the front bumper here. There's a little hole up there I should be able to poke a rubber band through. So that would be a traditional back wheel drive. But the other thing we could try is rubber band between both axles. Now normally I say don't connect the rubber band to the front axle, because when that's held tight by the rubber band and the back axle's spinning, the front axle doesn't turn, so the car doesn't move because the front wheels are fixed and the back ones are spinning. But if we wind it round the front axle in the opposite direction, I say the opposite direction, it'll go over the top of this one and under the bottom of that one. Is that right? I'm trying to remember which way it goes. Right, let's see if we can get this to go. That's the back axle, so it's going over the top of it, which when we're looking from underneath, it's going underneath. You need to wrap it round a few times to hold itself tight on there, and with one hand you've got to hold that axle still, and we need to put this one over there and get it to hold itself in place. We ought to try and do the same number of turns either end, but I don't suppose it's going to be too much of a problem. Right, I need to hold them still. Oh, letting it go. Well, it didn't go very far, but it did go. I'll give that another go. Because it's only a small toy, we can only use a short rubber band on it, so we're not going to get much distance. Right, do the other end. Now we'll put it down and see if we can let it go. We're going to get wheel spin. So, well, it sort of works. And I think it probably works better that way than it will when we just try the back axle on its own. Because with the back axle on its own, we got even less grip. See if I can feed this down through that hole. Right, so that's on the front bumper. So same procedure. Around the axle so it catches itself. There we go. I'm actually stretching the rubber band as I'm putting it on to try and get more turns on there. But I think we're going to get terrible wheel spin. So there we are, back axle. Ready? Yeah, lots of wheel spin. About the same distance, slightly less I would say. But now we'll try putting some rubber bands on the back wheels to give it extra grip. Or I might even go and cut up some balloons. A couple of balloons. They're very small balloons actually. I would normally cut them into strips. I'm just thinking, I'll probably just stretch it over like that. That's one. Alright. Right. So we got rubber tyres. Right, let's see how far we can go this time. Oh, much better. We've at least 1, 2, 3, probably quadrupled the distance by giving it rubber tyres so the wheels didn't spin. Well, that worked.